In just 20 minutes, an entire American city was completely changed. No warning, no escape, only silence, followed by absolute destruction. This is the story of the Joplin tornado. One of the deadliest storms in modern history. Joplin, Missouri. The 22nd of May, 2011, it was a normal Sunday evening. Families were shopping, people were driving home. And the sky looked heavy, but not dangerous enough to worry. Weather reports had warned about storms in the region, but tornadoes like this? No one expected anything extreme. Children were laughing in parking lots. Workers were finishing their shifts. Life was normal, too normal. But far above the ground, the atmosphere was already building something deadly. Dark clouds began to gather. The wind changed direction. Rain started falling harder. Emergency sirens were activated, but many people ignored them. Because tornado warnings in Missouri were common, but rarely this serious. Inside minutes, the sky turned greenish-black. Something massive was forming. At around 5:34 p.m., it hit. An EF5, the tornado, winds over 200 miles per hour, touched down directly on Joplin. The sound was described as a freight train, but louder, much louder. Buildings didn't just break, they disappeared. Cars were lifted like toys. Hospitals lost power instantly. Entire blocks were erased in seconds. People ran for cover, but there was nowhere safe. The tornado widened as it moved forward, cutting a path through the heart of the city. Everything in its way was gone. When it finally ended, Joplin looked unrecognizable. Entire neighborhoods were flattened. Schools destroyed. Hospitals heavily damaged. Over 150 people lost their lives. Thousands were injured or displaced. Rescue teams arrived at a scene that looked like a war zone, but it wasn't war. It was nature. Today, Joplin has been rebuilt. But the memory of that day still remains. Because the biggest question is not what happened. It is this. How do you prepare for something that gives you no warning at all?